After years of playing catch-up in the smartphone market, Google is now aiming to make its Pixel lineup a serious contender with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Packed with high-end features and cutting-edge AI capabilities, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is here to challenge the reigning leader, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. In this video, we'll compare these two Android flagships to help you decide which one is worth your hard-earned money. Google's strategy to shift it from offering affordable flagships to delivering premium devices with minimal compromises. The Pixel 9 Pro XL exemplifies this change, offering top-tier hardware at a price point still lower than Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you prefer a smaller phone, the 6.3-inch Pixel 9 Pro is also an option, albeit with a slightly smaller display. Speaking of displays, the Pixel 9 Pro XL shines, quite literally, with its 3,000 nits of peak brightness, edging out the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 2,600 nits. Although this difference may seem significant, the actual visibility difference in bright light is minimal. However, Samsung counters with a display that reduces reflections and is protected by Gorilla Glass armor, making it more scratch-resistant than the Pixel's older Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This makes the S24 Ultra a great choice for outdoor use. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's new Tensor G4 chip, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Although the Tensor G4's real-world performance is still being evaluated, past Tensor chips have lagged slightly behind Snapdragon's top performers. This could give Samsung a slight edge in raw power. However, Google has equipped the Pixel 9 Pro XL with a vapor chamber to help maintain consistent performance during extended use. For everyday tasks, both phones will easily handle multitasking. Although the Pixel 9 Pro's 16GB of RAM does stand out compared to the S24 Ultra's 12GB. One area where Samsung pulls ahead is its built-in S Pen, a unique feature that sets the Galaxy S24 Ultra apart. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, on the other hand, doesn't support a stylus at all. On the software side, Google's Pixel UI remains clean and straightforward, featuring new AI-powered tools like automatic call summaries and Pixel Studio for generating AI-driven images. Samsung's One UI, however, is packed with features, including a broad range of AI tools thanks to Galaxy A. Both phones promise 7 years of software updates, but Samsung has a stronger track record of bringing new AI features to older models, something Google has been less consistent with. Both Google and Samsung are known for their exceptional camera systems, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL and Galaxy S24 Ultra continue that legacy. While the Pixel 9 Pro XL brings a significant upgrade to its selfie camera, now boasting 42 megapixels, Samsung counters with a 200 megapixel main camera on the S24 Ultra. Although this sounds impressive, Samsung uses pixel binning to produce 12.5 megapixel images that capture more detail. However, it still struggles with fast-moving subjects. Both phones are packed. 9 Pro XL offers fewer hardware compromises than its predecessors, but comes at a higher price. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra still excels in key areas like its built-in S Pen and overall feature set. If you're looking for the best value with cutting-edge AI and camera capabilities, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is an excellent choice. But if you want the most feature-packed Android experience with minimal compromises, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might be the better option. So which flagship phone would you choose? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.